I was under the boat this morning about 9:05. This point is a usual crossing point since the breakdown of the bridge in 2006. We use the point, the boat or the canoe. Pay 10 hours to cross and 10 hours to come by. This morning we entered the boat was almost close to 17, 18, 20 passengers. We were 6 at the front part. No. Okay. It was almost 20 cartoons at the top of the we have 5 pieces of zinc. We have 3 Westmen of the 3 Westmen. We have some rubber tops that the market women were carrying to buy their fish there. So the boat never started when he captured. A fellow decided to jump on board. To where we were standing to get there to go. And presently as I speak to you, the fellow is at the police station. I just come from the police station, one of the statements at the police station. The fellow is there now. And he hung on the boat because the weight of the boat on one side with the load was too heavy. And that weight brought us down. And when I fell in the water, I managed to save my life. And I left and went home to change.
Yeah, I only seen where I was standing right there when he's in a ground. Yeah, a boat of 4 hours plus. About 16 points in 7 over the, I mean, the from him was on low over the boat. Yeah, so the last man I jumped in the boat, or even telling to not get inside. When the last man, so he jumped to the boat, and the whole boat lay. Capsized there.
But these people that were in the canoe, and the canoe capsized, and they got drunk. I mean, 3 got drowned, and the 2 came in, and they survived. Only 2 survived, I don't know. I don't know how many people were in the canoe, but 5 came here.
3 persons, what's the status? Female, the ages?
All female. I don't know the ages of those deceased, but the 2 that survived is 18, and the other is actually 20. Yeah, she's pregnant. They just came home.